Welcome to 11 Wilson Court in Laconia, an urban commercial property with 7,156 square feet on just over half an acre. The aerial approach reveals an in-town setting, road frontage, a broad paved lot, and practical vehicle access. Inside, the front portion provides customer-facing and administrative space, including a reception area and private offices, with room to support business functions. Beyond the offices, the layout opens into work areas with high ceilings, durable concrete surfaces, and flexibility for a variety of commercial, industrial, or service uses. 7 drive-in bays with varying door heights help separate workflows while keeping each section readily accessible. Public water and sewer, natural gas on site, cable availability, and recently upgraded electrical service provide operating infrastructure. Block and concrete construction, a slab foundation, and a membrane roof support the building's hard-working design. Currently configured for a specialty automotive operation, 11 Wilson Court offers the space, access, and flexibility for an established company, a growing business, or a future redevelopment vision in Laconia.